It's just a matter of making a decision that changes everything. Stop collecting information and start following a specific proven system. This is a 5-step roadmap that does 4 things that most training places never does, right? We're going to tell you exactly what to learn, in what order, for which specific jobs. I'm going to give you a way to build real hands-on experience before you have the title of cybersecurity analyst, right? I'm going to show you how to connect with people that are doing the hiring through relationships, not applications. And I'm going to show you how to walk into an interview with evidence that you can do the work. And by the way, you don't have to have a computer science degree, but you don't have to have one to get into cyber. You don't have to spend years working in IT, right, before transitioning to cybersecurity, despite what a lot of people say out there. And you don't need to know how to code. I, for one, can tell you I don't know how to code, right? And I've been in this industry for a long time. You don't need to know how to hack, right? And you don't need to understand advanced technical concepts first. And you certainly don't need to spend about $15 to $30 for a boot camp that teaches you theory, but not how to get hired.